Welcome back to another stimulus update. Y'all, I'm going to give you an update and then I'm going to get into what this channel was meant to be. It was meant to be for financial advice and business advice. But then the COVID thing started, so I jumped into that. But I am going to start. I will still be giving you an update every day, but I will be getting back to what the channel was meant to be in the first place. I hope you like it. I hope you stick around. I hope you come back. I've got a lot of good information coming. Okay, but first, the stimulus thing. Would it make y'all feel better, safer if I put this on? It's just a piece of cloth. But it seems like the government thinks that makes everybody safer, just a little piece of cloth. I don't agree, because every time you sneeze, it goes right through that cloth. And if you know anything about health care, this is worthless without a pair of gloves. Why have one without the other? Okay, that's just my little take on that. But now, getting to the stimulus thing. Y'all, let's look at what the stimulus package was meant for in the first place. It has grown into this whole animal of its own, but it's not what it was meant to be. The stimulus package was meant to give people money to replace the money that they spent on supplies that they would need to get through the shutdown, as in food, toilet paper, necessities. That way they wouldn't have to get out as much. And for the people that was on low income, fixed income, they spend the money for this. And then where's their grocery money coming from? Where's their bill money coming from? That's what it was meant for. It was to replace what you've had to spend for the pandemic. But then people got dependent on it so fast. People that's on Social Security, people that's retired and got a retirement, people that hadn't lost their job, and the list goes on and on. But these people was not hurt a bit by the virus, but yet they're getting all of these big checks and wanting more. It's not what it was meant for, y'all. It was meant to replace what people had to spend to be prepared for it. The unemployment thing, I agree with that 100%. If you lost your job on kind of corona, you need that unemployment to get you through. And you work for it and you've paid into it. Your employer has paid into it, so you deserve it. You should get it. But for the people that I mentioned before, Social Security receivers, people that hadn't lost their job, hadn't lost their hours, they wasn't hurt. Why do they need? It's because this person got it. He needed it. Well, if this person got it, I want it too. That's not the way it should be, y'all. I mean, I know that's human nature. If one person gets something good, you want it too. But that person got it because they was in desperate need. You're not in desperate need if you hadn't been affected. So the $1,200 that everybody got or are getting, supposedly getting, that should be all a lot of people gets. And for the other people that has lost their income, well, if they was working, they've lost their income. Well, they've got unemployment now, and most of the time the unemployment is more than that was what they was making when they was working. So I don't know if we need another stimulus package or not. President Trump has went on record as saying he's against it, and I'm leaning towards that way. Now, I know you're going to give me a thumbs down. You're going to hate this video for me saying that. But at the end of the day, this is my video, and that's how I feel. So you can hate on me if you want to. But enough of that, because I'm going to just get worked up if I keep talking about it. But the people that wasn't affected by this, it's not a money-making opportunity, y'all. Keep doing what you're doing. For the people that was affected, I feel bad for you, and you deserve everything you can get. Okay, now I'm going to get into something more what my channel is meant to be. Starting a business. Y'all, with the corona pandemic, COVID pandemic, China flu, whatever you want to call it, there's going to be a lot of small businesses that don't come back. This is your opportunity to seize the moment. Like a lot of these small businesses that takes houses and turns them into a business, the rent on those buildings is normally pretty small. And they're normally already set up as a business. You can pay the rent, move in, and start your business. Of course, you got to get your business license and stuff first. But the rent on these buildings are normally small. Like the place that I had, it was a gas station, and the people before me turned it into a restaurant. Well, when I got it, I didn't like the way the inside looked, so we gutted the whole place and made it into a better restaurant. But the outside still looked like a gas station. If you didn't know passing by, you think it was a closed down gas station. You walk in, and it's a very nice restaurant. You would never dream that it used to be a gas station. The rent on that building and the equipment, tables, chairs, all the kitchen equipment, was $2,000 a month. Now, yeah, in order to get these places, you're going to have a little bit of money, but it's not going to be $20,000. It's going to be a few $1,000s to get in. So, just know, a lot of these small businesses are not coming back. It's going to open a lot of opportunity for you to seize the moment if you're savvy enough. Online business. Most online businesses don't cost a penny to start. And right now you've got time. Start that business. Even if you don't start making money right away, you've got the business made. And when you return to work at your regular job, when you come home in the evenings and on your days off, you go work on your business. Build that business. The hard stuff is done. Building the business is the hard part. You can work on it every day and grow that business. And it won't be long. You could probably quit that 9 to 5. Y'all, I hope this has given some of you encouragement to start a business. You got to think outside the box. Get out of your comfort zone. I've been in business online for about 10, 11 years. I had my own brick and mortar business for 3 years. So I know both sides of the coin. Y'all come back tomorrow. I've got another update and another business tip for you. Until tomorrow, we're going to get through this. I love you all. Ciao.